So I arranged these truffles from ZOE for Nikki for a Valentine's Day kind of gift. And then I realized I'm a Valentine also. Why can't I have some? So sorry, not sorry. We need to get into these, see how they are. Let's see what they look like inside here. This is an assortment of 16 truffles. They are gluten-free, so they're good for anybody. They come in a variety. Oh man. Oh, so good. They're made here in America, oh yeah! And they look absolutely delicious. Which one should we go for, little girl? I say we go for dark chocolate. Let's see what we got here. Oh, dark chocolate, sea salt on it, caramel. Oh man. You know I deserve these because when have you ever picked one of 16 random chocolates and got the best one first try? I think it's the world talking to me, and holy crap are these good. All right, I'm only gonna have 2 or 3 more and then I'm gonna give them to Nikki, but these are absolutely delicious. If you are at all on the fence on this, this is a must get. If you want to get it, there's actually a link here on the screen. There's one down below. They help out the channel a little bit. I'm going to say thank you in advance. If I've added some value here, please like the video, follow the channel. If you have any questions about how giving Nikki candies with a couple missing goes, you can put that in the comments. I'll let you know how it went. She's pretty good about that kind of stuff. How pretty the packaging is. This is amazing. You cannot possibly go wrong with this. You should definitely get this. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.